Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So are you kidding me? It literally just flashed at me that it's dying. Also, literally so excited. This company called Bridal emailed me and they wanted my custom sizes so that they made these dresses. And I have lots of other fun stuff, tons of clothes because as a clothing YouTuber, I don't really get a lot of makeup stuff. I get tons of clothing though. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing some PR packages. So this first company is called Sips By. I've seen them on Instagram advertising, but you subscribe and you tell them what kind of teas you like. And so I think they send you 15 types of teas for $15. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. The first thing I'm seeing is this organic green peppermint tea, which I actually have this brand downstairs. It's this chocolate smooth move tea. It's supposed to help your bowels get things moving. Literally so funny. So I had this friend and he was like, I just want tea. And I was like, any kind of tea? He's like, yeah, surprise me. And I was like, I'm so surprising him. But then he left early, so I don't actually know if his bowels were smooth moving after that, but literally just so funny. So be careful when you come over to Tabitha's house for tea. The next thing is this zest tea. It says as much caffeine as coffee. Oh my word, I love that so much. I'll have all these things linked down below, so if there's anything these dresses, bathing suits, pajamas, all these things, they'll just be linked down below. So if you want them, you can have them. It's not really sponsored, just if you want them. And there's this other tea called Buddha. Okay, we don't support Buddha, but the tea could be good. We're just gonna have to bless it in the name of Jesus. It's called Calm Buddha Blend. That's a little sketch. That's a little sketch. Are you kidding me? It's dying again. I just gotta talk really fast. I'm already talking fast, but I just gotta talk faster. And then this loose leaf tea I'm so excited about. I literally use this font as a YouTuber. Something that's so funny is you'll see companies use the similar font that you use and you'll know the name of the font and you'll be like, oh, that's called Fox in the Snow. So it's just so funny to see it. But anyways, oh my goodness, this is white tea. I love white tea and it has rose petals in it. Sorry, my camera died, so the angles may keep changing. It's like a reusable bag in itself, but then inside it came with a ton of reusable bags. 8, 9. Okay, I may have counted wrong. There may be 10. Oh, maybe this is the 10th one. Math skills. Got 'em. Thank you so much to Spy for sending me this. Whoa! Guess what I just found out? Guys, they gave me a code Tabitha5 for $5 off your first. Can't even talk. I'm so excited for you guys. Didn't even realize they just gave me a code for $5 off your first box. So if you guys want to, it's Tabitha5 at checkout. So instead of paying $15, you pay $10 for 15 different types of tea. Should we look at the dresses? Probably. I'm thinking a lot of you clicked on this video for the dresses. So this dress is so stinking beautiful. It's not super long. I'm gonna try it on and then we're gonna talk about it some more. Hey guys, so I'm filming this on a different day and I have a slight fever, but it's fine. I still have energy. So if I just sound funny, that's more why I'm telling you. But oh my gosh, look! The most fun thing to do when you have a fever is try on clothes. This is literally so much fun. I'm obsessed with how flowy this bottom is. This is so cool. I thought this wasn't gonna look super nice on me, but it actually is so flattering. And the back here, and the color is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this website. I've had this kind of on the ground, and it's not that wrinkled. You can totally tell that this fabric is quality. So I'm obsessed with this. I feel I could go for a little bit of a smaller size, but I always can go for a smaller size. This is very comfortable and I could definitely eat some stuff and not feel like I'm so that's what's nice. I don't think it really looks too big on me. So I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. There's more dresses. Where are they? I just kind of threw them in the box. Okay, I found some. Oh my word, purple. So the back situation's got a little dangly thing, which that is super cool. It's got the pads already inside, which is great because I won't wear a bra with it anyways. Let's try it on and see what else we think. Are you kidding me? It's dying again. I don't know what to do. Okay. That voice crack. I don't know why I've never worn the color purple before. This is so pretty on me. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. But anyways, I love this back part. I have never had a dress with that on before. It is so gorgeous. Plus it hides my tan lines. On the back, guys, I'm gonna squat down. The booty's got nice ruching. So if you have a booty or if you don't have a booty, you have a booty. I love the quality of these dresses. They feel so soft. My friends told me, they're as soon as you finish filming this video, call us. We want to come over and try on these dresses. They're so excited. So they sent me 2 more. So I have this red dress. Ooh, it's a halter top. Okay, this literally reminds me of a bathing suit I got off of Amazon if you guys want to check out the video. Literally so beautiful. I remember wearing the bathing suit and I was I literally feel like I'm wearing a prom dress, but it's a bathing suit. Always pick the red dress, girls. I suppose I could go with guys too. You know, guys always pick the red tie. Let's see what it looks like on. Guys, this is the highest quality dress I think I have ever tried on in my entire life.
I am obsessed with this. I know as soon as my sister sees this dress, she's gonna come steal it from my closet. Like, I am positive. The top part is so gorgeous, and like, I didn't know if I was gonna like the fact that like it has layers on the skirt, you know, but I am obsessed with that. It looks like it's just so light and fluffy, but like if you feel this dress is heavy. Guys, the back is literally so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let me know what your favorite dress is down below. I have one more and I'm so excited to try that one on. So next, I don't even want to take it off. It's just so beautiful. By the way, guys, I have like a 10% off code for you guys. It's like on Bridal, like 10 or something like that. It's in the description box.
Okay, they sent one separately. So let's look at this. I don't know what this one looks like yet. Is it green or gray? Question mark, question mark? Literally died in the middle of me like ripping this open. But anyways, it's gray. I have never seen, okay, wait, maybe that's a lie. Maybe I've seen on Pinterest like gray bridesmaid dresses, but I would never think to choose gray. But that could be such a beautiful color. First of all, I love the fit of this. I feel like this is gonna look very flattering on my top hat. Oh, it's a short dress. Oh my. Let's see what this looks like on. Oh, I look so fetch in this. Oh, guys, it's gray. This color is just so different, and I love that it's so different. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. It's even more flowy than the first one, which, oh my god. First of all, this front part is really pretty on me. I think, again, it could be a little smaller, like my waist here, like I have room, but then again, like I can breathe in and it gets tight. So maybe not, maybe this is my correct size. The bottom part is, I'm obsessed. It'd be one of those, oh okay, I need not fall while I'm doing this. This is one of those dresses you wear like swing dancing. Oh my gosh, that literally looks so cool. Oh my word, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. La 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 la, la 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 la. I'd be that bridesmaid that like steals the wedding, you know what I mean? Like, I'm like, I got you, man. No, wait, we can't do that. We're a good Christian girl. I'm literally ready for all of my friends to get married now. They just have to get married in these exact colors and then like let us pick whatever dress we want, and I'm good to go. A company sent me this like jumpsuit thing, which is super cool. They asked my sizes, that's why I know why. There were these really cute ones. There's like a yellow one and a striped one, but this was the only one in the extra small. But I'm not mad about it at all because look at this. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. It's like a palm tree, but it's got like a yellow print and a pinky print in it as well. It's not like a normal sleeve, so you tie it on your shoulders. Ta-da! What do you guys think of this? I'm literally obsessed. I love this jumpsuit so much. First of all, the tie detailing up here is so gorgeous. Like, I could tie it into a bow if I wanted to, so if I wanted to be a little bit different and have it kind of like this. And it's got fun little pockets, and I literally love how it's high-low here. It's just so fun, so beautiful, and I love the pattern. I'm so obsessed with this that I think I might go back on Amazon and order like the yellow one, the striped one, because these are so cute. Thanks Belongski for sending this to me, so nice. So here's another company on Amazon. They're called Cozy Wow. They sent me their socks. But the thing is so funny, online, if you look online, there's like 6 for like $10 or something like that. I got 7 in my package, so I was like, so I reviewed it and I was like, guess what? Like, they sent me 7 instead of 6. Anyways, guys, these socks are super cute, and they've got like the little, the little rubber thing. So I love that because it stays on your foot better, but it's not uncomfortable. Enough about that, but totally affordable, super easy. It gets here in 2 days because it's prime shipping. I just love Amazon. Amazon's like one of my best friends. Like, I have friends, but like, this is my best friend. Sorry, Abby. Who goes to Walmart and says, yeah, I'm going to go sock shopping? Like, nobody does that. Just go on Amazon. So I actually have a discount code for you guys, and I'll put it in the description box below. Also, Cozy Wow sent me one other thing too. I don't know where I put it though. I found it. This company also has like tons of really cute like scarves. So like, oh, so beautiful. This is the shiny side. The pink with like the light blue and the green. It has something written on the side here, but I literally have no idea what it says. Let me know if you can figure out in the comment section below. I'd love to know what you think it says. I love tying scarves on like my purse, or like I can tie it around my neck and be all cute and bougie. You can also totally do it around like your pants and like make it into like a little, oh my gosh, it's called a belt tab. And so it comes with this little thing and gives you like literally like 100 ideas of how to tie the scarf around your neck. Oh my gosh, tie it around a hat? I never would have thought of that. See, look at this. But like having my curly hair, and if I'm on like day 3, day 4, I'll pop it in a bun and I'll just literally tie like a really cute bandana around it, and just like, it's just so stinking cute. Discount code below, and I have the links in the description box, so go ahead, check them out. But thanks Cozy Wow for sending me these things. I really appreciate it. All right, Next, I feel like I should be cleaning up as I go, but I'm definitely not cleaning up as I go. Okay, enough rambling. There's this company that literally just constantly keeps sending me things. And so one of the things they sent me, literally so cool, just the other day actually, is like this adorable nightgown. Their fabric of their clothes is like one of the softest I've ever felt. Like, I love their bathing suits. I'm gonna show you guys some bathing suits in a second. I feel like I could get away with wearing this as an actual dress. I probably won't, but I love this. Oh, I could wear it as a swimsuit cover-up, to be honest. Also, this company sells really modest one pieces, so I just really like that. And plus, the colors on this is so fun. Like, I'm usually not somebody who wears like bright colors, but like this light blue is so flattering. Like just a little yellow, a little pastel. I also got a black bathing suit, but I don't really know where that is. Another thing is like this cute little like PJ set. Like, look at how cute. They're like silky smooth, super cute. Here's the front. Oh my gosh. So stinky cute, all about it. This is a favorite product from like this specific company in general. It's this like pajama set and it is so soft. So it's got like the cute little bottoms. I put this in the thumbnail of my glow up video where I got my hair dyed, and it's literally so soft and it stays cold. So like when I would sleep, I didn't feel super hot. So love this. Also, some companies send me really random stuff. So like I got these Easter pillows, and like this, for example, it's just like a cute little like picture frame. I'm just kind of saving these things in a box for my future home. I'll pop a picture in too. Another company sent me like this door hanging organizer. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. I really hope you liked today's video, and if you did, consider giving it a thumbs up because it really does help me get into suggested videos on YouTube. Also, if you like my personality or my YouTube channel or not, you can totally subscribe down below. It is free. If you're subscribed, I'll probably see you in my next video on Thursday or Saturday, whenever it comes out, because I don't really know. All right, okay, bye guys.